So behind us we see the Candela C8, which is the first long-range and high-speed electric boat. It flies on hydrofoils, and these hydrofoils reduce the energy consumption by 80% compared to a conventional boat. And that means that we can squeeze out more miles at high speeds. So we're sitting here with the main foil of Candela C8. It looks like an aircraft wing, and it's the same principle. So when you hit 60 knots, the flow over this wing produces so much lift that the boat starts to fly above the friction of water. And when we're flying, this wing is active, so it continually adjusts the angle of attack and also twists a little bit in order to control the boat in roll. So this is an active system, much like a modern jet fighter, like an F-16 fighter. And the result is that you get a much smoother ride than a conventional boat. So you can't really get seasick on board because this is a stabilized boat. So we're on board the Candela C8, and unlike a traditional boat that slams, it waves a lot, this boat flies over them, and there's a computer that handles the flying, so it's a smooth and level ride in almost all conditions. A lot of people don't like go boating because they get seasick, but you can't get seasick in a Candela. First reactions when flying in a Candela is, happy disbelief. Are we actually flying? Once you pop up on the foils, all the noise disappears and all the slamming. So it's just this silent, smooth ride. You start to hear birds, you start to hear other noises of nature. So you just have the wind. So yeah, people are very happy.